Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Today I am going to talk about mathematics reduced syllabus as well as marks distribution for ICSE class 10th for the session 2022-23. As per the specimen paper released by Council, in section A we have 3 questions. First question is of 15 marks having 15 MCQ 1 marker each. Question 2 having 3 parts 4 marker each, 3 parts of 4 marks. And question 3 having 4 and 5 marker question of total 13 marks. It means section A is of 40 marks total and section B having 7 questions. Out of these 7 questions, student has to attempt only 4 questions. Normally question pattern is 3 and 4. Now we are going to talk about marks allotted to separate topics. At the same time about reduced syllabus also. First try to understand the pattern of paper. In section A we have 1 marker MCQ and 4 marks question also and 1 5 marker question also. In section B we have 3 marker questions and 4 marker questions, but 1 6 marker question may be there. So starting with the unit 1 commercial mathematics, chapter 1 is goods and services tax, which is GST. It has 1 MCQ mark question and 1 3 marker question, total 4 marks from GST. Second chapter banking, 1 4 marker question is there, so total 4 and 4 8 marks questions are there, and shares and dividend topic is reduced from the syllabus of 2022-23. So you need not to cover this chapter. Coming to second unit algebra, chapter 4 is linear equations. 1 MCQ is there and 1 3 marker question, total 4 marks from linear equations. Chapter 5 quadratic equation in 1 variable, 1 MCQ is there, 1 3 marker question is there and 1 4 marker question is also there. So total 8 marks from quadratic equations in 1 variable. Chapter 6 is ratio and proportion. It has 1 4 marker question and 1 3 marker question in section B also. So total 7 marks. Direct simple applications on proportions only, this syllabus is deleted. Chapter 7 is factorization of polynomials, 1 MCQ and 1 4 marker question in section B also, total 5 marks. Matrices, 2 MCQ questions and 1 3 marker question, total 5 marks from matrices. Arithmetic progression, it has 2 MCQ questions and 1 4 marker question, total 6 marks. Here also geometric progression, this topic is deleted. And simple applications from both AP and GP, these are also deleted. Continuing with unit 2 algebra, chapter 10 is coordinate geometry. Its first part is reflection, having 1 MCQ question and 1 5 marker question. So total 6 marks from reflection topic. Now section and midpoint formula, 1 MCQ question and 1 3 marker question, total 4 marks from section and midpoint formula. Equation of a line, 1 4 marker question, total 4 marks. In overall, coordinate geometry contains 14 marks. And simple applications of all of the above, this topic is also reduced. Now coming to unit 3, which is geometry. Chapter 11 is similarity. Its first part as a size transformation, this topic is reduced. Comparison with congruency, it is included. 3 conditions, SSS, SAN and AA and simple applications, all these are included. Applications of basic proportionality theorem, this is the most important part. This is also included. And areas of similar triangles proportional to the square of the corresponding side, this is not included. It is also reduced. And direct applications based on the above, including applications to maps and models, this is also reduced. So from similarity, first, fifth and sixth, these topics are reduced, and question 1 is 1 MCQ question is there and 1 4 marker question, total 5 marks from similarity. Loci chapter 12, this whole topic is reduced, so you need not to cover this chapter for this 2022-23 examination. Continuing with geometry, unit 3, chapter 13 is circle and 14 is tangent and secant to a circle. We consider as a single chapter circles. 1 MCQ is there, 1 3 marker question is there and 1 4 marker question is also there. So total 8 marks from circles. And constructions, 1 3 marker question is there. Overall geometries of 16 marks, 5 from similarity, 8 from circles and 3 from constructions. Coming to unit 4, mensuration, area and volume of solid. Cylinder, cone and sphere all are there. One MCQ is there. One 4-marker question in compulsory section A and one 3-marker question in section B also. Total 8 marks. Now unit 5 trigonometry, chapter 17 trigonometric identities, one 4-marker question in compulsory section and one 3-marker question in section B also. Total 7 marks. Chapter 18 heights and distance, one 4-marker question in section B, total 11 marks from trigonometry. Unit 6 statistics, chapter 19 measures of central tendency, one MCQ is there, one 3-marker question is there, total 4 marks. Here mean, median and mode for raw data, arrayed data, this is reduced, and also discontinuous data. These all are reduced from the syllabus. Now chapter 20 graphical representation of data, one 4-marker question is there and one 6-marker question is also there, total 10 marks. It means total 14 marks from statistics. Unit 7 probability, one MCQ is there and one 3-marker question is there, so probability total of 4 marks. Hope you have understood about the reduced syllabus and marks distribution as well. Apart from small subtopics, major deleted topics are geometric progression, shares and dividend and loci. Do your best in your exams. Best of luck from my side also. Thank you.